Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to study a new topic, that is question tag. Let me define what is the meaning of question tag. A question tag is a very short clause at the end of a statement which changes the statement into a question. Let me repeat once again what is question tag. It's a very short clause at the end of a sentence or a statement which changes the statement into a question. Always the tag becomes at the end of the statement. Please remember, you have to write full sentence and at the end of the statement you have to put a question mark, that is called as a question tag. Now it is very essential to know the basic rules about question tag. The first is, if the statement is negative, the tag must be positive. And if the statement is positive, the tag must be negative. Now I think you have understood. If the statement is negative, tag becomes positive. And if the statement is positive, the tag changes into negative. The second rule is, the tense of the tag is determined by the tense of the auxiliary or modal verb of the statement that precedes it. That means the tense of the tag, it is determined on the basis of the tense of the auxiliary verb of the particular statement. Now suppose there is an imperative sentence. You have studied in the types of sentences. Imperative sentence means it's a command, request or order. If the statement is an imperative sentence, the question tag will always be will you for a negative sentence, and for the positive or affirmative sentence it becomes won't you. Let me say once again. In case of imperative sentence, if the statement is an imperative form, the question tag always be will you for a negative sentence and won't you for an affirmative or positive sentence. I have given here examples. Now for example, find an answer. It is a positive sentence. It is an imperative sentence. Therefore, tag becomes negative, that is won't you. Second example, don't drive carelessly. This is imperative negative sentence. Therefore, the tag becomes will you. I am sure the concept is clear. If not, read the sentence or the definition once again, which clears your doubt. Now, if the statement is in a suggestion form or it begins with let, the question tag will be either will or shall according to the sense of the sentence. Now, I'll repeat once again. If the statement is in suggestion form, begins with the let, the question tag will be shall or will according to the sense of the sentence. Now, example, let us talk about it. So, us is there. So, we are going to use either shall we or will we and ends with the question mark. Second example, let him oblique her find it out soon. Again, we are talking about singular person. So, will or you can use shall or he or she. Now say let him find it out soon. Shall he or will he? Now this is very important to know. I have put here the chart of question tag, positive and negative. Now this is very, very important. You have to learn it. Once you go through this chart, write it down in the notebook and learn it. Now positive is, isn't, am, amn't, are, aren't, like this I have given. Positive means there won't be not, and negative there will be a negative not. Please go through this chart very carefully. Now I have given some examples, positive sentences with negative tags to make your concept clear. You can see first sentence I'll read. Present simple be. Be is the form of is. She is a student. So the sentence is positive, the tag becomes isn't she. Let me read another one. Present simple. Now there are other verbs I have used. I do the job. Do is a helping verb. So you can say don't they? It's very easy to understand. If the statement is positive, the tag becomes negative. In the same way, I have put all the sentences in different tenses to make the concept clear. Please go through this chart and write it neatly in your notebook. In the same way, I have given other chart also according to the tenses. Now, when you come future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous, after that modals are there. Modals means modal auxiliaries. Suppose he can climb the tree, positive sentence. So the modal can changes into, since it is positive, it changes into can't he. In the same way, modal John must listen. So positive changes into negative, mustn't he. Now, negative sentence with positive tags. Now again I have put all in different tenses. Now for example, first sentence, we are not late. We aren't late. Aren't stands as negative sentence. Therefore tags becomes are we. So you can go through this all negative sentences which tags becomes positive. Go through this and write in your notebook. Now this is also the same. The models I have given with the different tenses. Now model, she can't find the way. Can't is modal auxiliary in a negative form. So the tag becomes can he. They mustn't respect elders. Must not. Mustn't means must not. It's a negative form. Models. So the tag becomes must they. I'm sure the concept is clear. Please, once again, I'll tell you, write down the tables, learn the tables, which helps you to clear the concept and helps you to solve the statement very easily. Now, the assignment first question I've written, write the table of question tag 2 times in your notebook. Twice you have to write. That helps you to understand. Question number 2, add an appropriate question tag to the following. Now, there are total 15 sentences I have given. All this go through properly and write question, then write the answer. Now, the tags, not only tables you have to write. I have given positive sentence to negative, negative sentence into positive tag. All the charts you have to write in your notebook. My dear students, not only English I am telling you, go through all the videos of the concerned subject, whatever it is, and write down in the notebooks. All the teachers are taking lots of efforts, even the principal. Therefore, you have to cooperate and you have to go through all the videos and whatever the instructions given by the principal and the teachers, you have to follow it without fail. This is for your betterment. Instead of wasting time at home, it's better you go through all the videos and write down in your notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.